like so, just like the back one. I'm just gonna cut this off. So it looks the exact same. Take the pin out, and then I'm gonna attach that. But this is different because there's a screw in the bottom, right here, and a screw in the top up here. So we also have to take those out. But you don't have to if you just want it to be that way. It just makes it easier to clean. So once that's out, you also have to take out this because that's also holding it. So it's right there, and this has a nut, so you're gonna want to use this and hold it there. So once that's off, you can take this out, but that's still, this is threaded as well, so you're gonna have to take that out. So this piece attaches to the steering, so you don't want to wreck that by accident trying to get this done. So as you can see, that's like this. But we're gonna need to take this off because we can't get fully at this. But there is another way to get at it. If you pull it from that angle, you can still do everything you need to. It's just harder to clean it. So I'm gonna leave it on, but still, it'll be harder to clean it than you can just take it off. So first, we're gonna, of course, have to get the bearings off. That's gonna be hard because it's in there. So we probably will have to take that off. So once that's out, there's still a bottom on what you need to do. So I need to unscrew the bottom. And you might want to look at the other side to tell which screw goes in which. So there we go. And you can take off this and take the bearings out, so you can already see that they're really dirty. So now we got it out. I'm just gonna do the same with the front one.